kids, today we will learn X, Y, Z, images and formation. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X, xylophone. X. X for X-ray. X-ray. Human X-ray.
Now my dear kids, today we will learn X. And what is the sound of X? Cuss, box. Cuss. So today I will tell you how we will write letter X. X for X-ray, X-ray and xylophone. So first of all, what we will do? Go here, take a loop and come and make a one C. C बनाएंगे ऐसे. Again you will go on the same line. Again one more C. Take the loops. X. Again go C. Again like this. X.
Y for yak. Yak. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y for yellow. Yellow. Zebra. Crossing the road. Zoo. With many animals. Zero. I am a zero. Zebra crossing. Be careful. Always cross the road with zebra crossing. Zip. Zip up your bag. Zip. Hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel Kids Edu Tech.